Okay, to remove the PS5 front and back plates, it's super simple. Step 1. Make sure you unplug your PS5 and press the on button a couple times to make sure it's completely turned off. Once that's done, lay your PS5 flat and you want to look for the PlayStation logo. You want to lift up on the logo and then slide down. It should just be one simple movement. You're going to need a little bit of power, but not too much. It should slide right off. Now to take off the reverse plate, flip over your PS5 and you want to look at the disk drive and then you want to go diagonal to the opposite corner. Lift up again just like you did the front and slide down. The back plate should come off just as easily. Now with the back plate off, you have access to the M.2 drive to expand your PS5 storage, and you can easily clean out the intake fans and make sure your PS5 is running nice and quiet. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more PS5 content and PS5 tips. I'll see you guys in the next one.